Today at the Salty Workshop, we're going to do a shop tour. Show you what you don't want your shop to look like. Okay, we're going to take a look at the shop where it currently is. We've been taking some walls down, making some new space, trying to be more productive in here. Currently, I'm going to show you how big of a disaster it is. We can take a look at the old shop first. You can see there are a lot of piles around. Got the old metal lathe undercover, the old workbench destroyed, drill press, bike jig. There's Isha's bike that needs a little bit of repair. Currently we've got a guitar I've been trying to build and finish. Another bike frame and a pile. That's our first aid kit. You can see the Porsche over there. That's going to go to Chris Callister. Has some oxyacetylene. Underneath the bike, or underneath the guitar over there, is a granite surface plate. We got some shelving over here. You can see where I cut a wall out right here, right behind where those masks were. That wall, there was a wall that went from there all the way to the other side here. That is taken out. You can see where the drywall stops. So that area right there used to be the old shop, all the way down to the floor. And that wall currently is right here. So that entire wall was taken out and moved. The chalkboard side used to face the inside. I'll try to put a little video clip of that up if I've got it. So the idea is that wall's coming down. This wall, which has been partially taken apart, is coming down. And this wall over here is also coming down. In order to do that, we're going to put a metal beam in that runs from the window over there all the way across to the side over there to take that whole beam out. And then another beam will go in over here to take this wall out. So here we get a good look at the old Porsche. Idea is to get a lot more space in here to do projects like this car and motorcycle and other things we've got planned. Pile of wood that came out of the walls, so you can see how much space we're going to have once these walls come out. It'll open right into the back. Car can go all the way back, and we'll just have a lot of nice space here. You can see the welding table here. There's a bunch of stuff on it like usual. Back in this corner used to be where the old oil furnace was that was taken out. You can still see some of the ducting up here that I'd taken out. It's not fun. Some more there. So this is intended to be a bit of the welding area where the welders will go, along with next to the table. This is a new purchase I picked up yesterday. It's a nice big tool chest. Husky brand. You can see I'm going to put that back here where these sort of tools are. You can see how I've been storing most of my tools so far. Various other toolboxes. In our current kitchen, we've pulled out some cabinetry that I'm going to try to put up somewhere. This is the original cabinetry from the kitchen that I have filled with good stuff. This is our old freezer. It's going to go to a neighbor. There's a couple bikes. There's my first bike I made, along with my wife's bike and the old Derosa. I'd like to find a permanent spot to keep this saw so it doesn't have to get folded up and moved around. It can be a little bit. Got a lot of car parts over here. It'd be nice to get some cabinetry or something built out for that. That's the new bumper that goes on the van. Some more car parts. You can see the metal brake is buried in there. It'll be nice to have a nice spot for that as well. There's my bike shoes. Those two bins are full of rags and clothes, so I'm not really sure what to do with. Everybody needs a surfboard in their shop. That one belongs to my friend John. And under there are some seats, old filing cabinet, and lots of goodies around here. Take a good look at the Honda. Future cafe racer, possibly. I'll have to see how that works out. My welder. Old dryers out there. Again, the car should be the main focus of for a while in this garage. A lot of things to do with that. I think that just about does it. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.